Hi guys! In this video we will learn how to control the size of element in CSS. CSS gives us powerful tools to set the width and height of boxes. First we have the width and height. You can set width and height directly. Example, width 30 rem, height 20 rem. This is only an example. Second, we have the units of measurement. And in the units of measurement, we have the pixels, their fixed size, the percentage of the parent container, rem, relative to the root font size, that is the standard measured in web development, and m, relative to the font size of the element. Which to use? We use pixels for precise elements like icons. Use percent or rem for responsive layouts, and they are more scalable than pixels or m. So we are going to create 3 boxes and size one with pixel, one with percentage, and one with rem. And we will see the results. Now you can control how big or small your elements are and make them responsive too. In the next video, we will talk about positioning elements on the screen. So let's go!